I'm back and just in time for the holidays, and I'm celebrating with a Merry DIY Christmas mini series. Calling this project the Christmas Peak Window Frame. Any items that I needed to purchase, I got it all from Dollar Tree. As you can see here, I bought my frames, Dollar Tree 5x7, and it was this particular style because it will give that illusion of or mimics a window once it's all put together. Here it is. I'm just showing you the supplies I use: scissors, or you can use a paper cutter, glue gun, and a pencil. And this particular project, you do need a gift bag or gift wrapping paper. And you want to choose something that actually has a subject on the front. Snowman, bears, Santa Claus, reindeers, anything with some type of particular subject on the front, because it's supposed to look like your subject is peeking in through the window. And I like this because it offers a unique, simple perspective to your space, or whatever place that you're decorating. So right here I am getting all my supplies out, and I don't think I'm gonna do too much talking on this video because it's pretty much self-explanatory. And before I stop talking, so if you notice that I am looking off to the side quite a bit, that's because I had two cameras. One was facing me, one was off to my right, and I could not really see the camera that was facing me that good. So I kept looking off to the side, just making sure that everything was in focus to the right. So yeah, enjoy. Right here, I'm showing you the artist actually signed the bag. I thought that was kind of neat. I never noticed that before on a gift bag, so I was just showing that. Here I was looking at trying to figure out the size of this bag. It did not have the size on it. But what I actually did when I was in Dollar Tree, I laid my bag out, took all four of my frames and put it on top. It did not, the bag was like a little bit smaller than the frames when I placed them all on the bag, but it was okay. It still worked. So you may want to try gift wrapping paper versus this, but either way, it worked. I am really excited that you're here with Cruise Through Creations, where creativity knows no limits. If you made it this far, spread some love. Go ahead and like this video. Like it for joy, for peace, for Christmas, for Jesus, for everything. You also can give me a thumbs down. Dislike the video if this is just not your holiday jam, or you are the Grinch that stole Christmas. Either way, your support fuels this holiday wonderland of creativity. And whether or not you like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, for more content. You just might enjoy the next one. I can guarantee that you will. Now, let's go ahead on and get back into this video. But before we do that, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, tap it right now. Tap. Oh, we're back. So, for this particular project, I did find it somewhere. I saw it somewhere, and it looked simple, so I wanted to try it. And with that being said, all the projects that I will post, I will give you my little bit of feedback on it. And on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest and 10 being the most difficult, I will never do it again. I scored this on level 1. So this project was super easy. And yeah, it was like super easy. Literally, it's cutting paper and putting them in frames. Who can't do that? And just gluing the sides together. And I also like that with this particular project, it's something that you can do with your kids. You can do with a group of children. You can do it with, this would be actually even a good project for the elderly, maybe in a nursing home or something. And I say that because I'm a nurse, so. And, but this was super, super easy. And I also like that this particular project, you can go as simple or as creative as you want. You know, maybe spray a little fake snow on the frame. You can glitter up the frames. You can put some like some little mini LED lights on it to mimic Christmas lights. And the actual picture as well, you can actually take the picture. I actually did have, if you saw in the beginning, I actually had the front of the bag that had glitter on, like the red parts, it was red glitter on there. I actually messed it up.
You've got a text message.
I actually messed that part up. And so I had to start over. And I just used the other side of the bag that didn't have glitter on it. But if you wanted to, you can actually glitter the whole entire picture if, you know, that's your thing, you know. But overall, this was a lot of fun. I enjoyed myself doing it by myself. My girls, you know, they had a little something to say about it. They was like, "Mama, why this picture look like, you know, the bear is like elongated and it's like not proportioned right. And it looked like he got 2 eyes and 3 eyes and stuff like that." So, and I was like, I don't care. It looked good to me. But the reason why they was saying that is because in the middle, I should have cut a little bit. I just cut like straight down the middle, but I should have cut a little bit off so it could be proportioned. For the perfectionist, of course, that's what you're gonna do. Usually I am a perfectionist about my stuff, but this was like, I just wanted to do simple. And here we go, guys. Let me know if y'all see what my girls said they saw. But this right here is just showing you where I put the picture, and I like it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.